As if my life doesn't already have enough stress. All right, so this yard was crowned, and that's why water was stuck on the other side. Not to mention the sheer volume of water that they're seeing off the pool yard that's next door, and then their own concrete as well as their own rooftop. You know, we got 5 pipes right there. You can see they put this back together. The neighbor would never know. I'm sure the neighbor's just at work, but look at that. The guys just do great work, man. So this landscape bed, that was the last dam that was holding the water back from being able to run into the storm drain. We bettered that. We went down deep and went through the sidewall of that storm drain. This is going to drain this yard much better, and we're going to get all that subsurface water. So here, this trench has 5 pipes in it. We're using the 1 3/4 stone. That's what it is. That's what they classify it as. The smallest stone in the pile is 1 inch. And yeah, I would say it's pretty close to 1 3/4. I mean, normally they have 1.5 inch, but whatever the vein in the quarry gives you, so it's a little bit larger, which is good. I wanted to use a good coarse wash rock that moved a lot of water. So we had 5 pipes in here, and then we dropped as we started, because again this yard was crowned. So then we dropped a pipe here, dropped another pipe there, dropped the 3rd there, and then we're going to keep the double pipe. Now, towards the end of your trench, pay attention, DIYers, because this is going to help you out a lot. You can raise it slowly so that you're not digging as deep. It's probably about 10 inches over there, and then we just get deeper and deeper until we end up, I'm not really sure how deep we were, but probably a couple feet.